Guys, we're doing a Big Dipper today on this show. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started on this Big Dipper. You're probably wondering, what the heck is a Big Dipper, Hussey? Well, it's pretty much a French dip. A buddy of mine, he owns a deli over in Thomasville, JJs Side Street Deli. Beautiful sandwiches, awesome sandwiches, best in the city, okay? And he come up with this term for this sandwich called a Big Dipper. And I love it. It's one of my most favorite sandwiches. I get it every single time, all right? So you're probably saying, Hussey, what in the heck do you got going on right here? This is my Au Jus. The Au Jus is pretty much the hardest thing of this whole Big Dipper. And I'll show you the reason why later, why it's so easy and why the Au Jus is what takes so dang long. So I took, I don't know, it's probably about a cup and a half of unsalted beef broth, okay? The reason why I went unsalted is because I put a package of this into there, so you don't want it over salty, all right? So unsalted beef broth. It is beef broth, isn't it? Yeah, beef. At first I thought it was chicken. Jacob, you know, sometimes, you know, does things. We're gonna add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce to that, okay? Make this even more beefy. And this is another reason why I use the unsalted, because this has some sodium in it. A little bit of this chicken powder. Y'all know I love some chicken powder. Nor chicken powder. Jacob, everybody's like, what is this? Nor chicken powder. It is the brown top, huh?
Isn't that beef?
Not chicken, beef. Beef powder, I do chicken powder, and also do the red, which is tomato and chicken. It's good stuff, good stuff. Let's give us a little sipsy, Okay, okay, okay. Let's thin that out just a little bit more stock. You kind of want it to be a little salty, but not overly salty to where, you know, you got to go to your cardiologist later. Okay. So now we're just gonna let this hang out. We got other plans. I'll put that right, where should I put that at, Jacob? Right there, right there. All right. Now I told you that was pretty much the easiest thing, and that's pretty much true. We got to make one more sauce. We're gonna make a creamy horseradish sauce. Creamy. How are we gonna make it creamy? Duke's mayonnaise. State law. Got a nice little cup. Why I slung it on the side, it's beyond me. The whatevs. A little bit of horseradish. A little bit of mayonnaise, horseradish, a little dollop of Worcestershire sauce. We got Maggie Cam back going again, y'all. It's been a while, so we had to get a new mount, but we're about to go live on Maggie Cam right now. Right meow. Let's go back to our creamy horseradish. I know what y'all thinking. Y'all love this shirt. Y'all saying, can I get one? Oh yeah, you can get one. Link below. Woo, that's good. I need a little bit more. I need a little bit more mayonnaise. A little bit more mayonnaise. Just a little. All right. A little bit of horsey. Yay, horsey. Woohoo, yeah, baby. Now comes the really easy part. Oh, gotta get our bread. Gotta get our bread ready, because this is kind of like a cheesesteak where everything goes so dang fast. I meant to have Martin's rolls. They didn't have Martin's rolls. They give me these rolls, and guess what? They're not even split. What kind of crap is that? Oh well. It's a good thing I got a knife. There we go. Just open that up just like that. I should have went to JJ's and got some of his rolls. Man, they got some good rolls. This is the easy part, y'all. This is so easy. You just get, I got, I think 2 pounds of prepared roast beef right from the deli, medium rare, okay? And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do a little bit of spray. I've been digging this spray. It's extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil. Makes it so nice. You just kind of spritz it, it's all good. Griddle top is on low, or I got my burners on low. So however much roast beef you want on your Big Dipper, that's what you put down onto the griddle top, all right? I'll say about, you know, quarter pound, maybe third of a pound, heck, half pound. All right, here we go. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of my heifer dust and just gonna sprinkle that right on top, just like so. The other cool thing, what I recommend doing, we're gonna take a little bit of this Au Jus. We're gonna pour that right over our roast beef. Whew. Are you gonna like this Big Dipper or what? Tell me down below what you think about this Big Dipper. And y'all need to go see my buddy JJ if y'all ever close. He's got some good stuff. Just gonna flip this over, just like that. Old roast beef, get a little bit of char to it. Now, all we're doing is really warming this through. You know what I forgot? Onions and peppers. I was gonna do onions and peppers. That's just an add if you want onions and peppers. You don't have to. I order mine with onions and peppers. Sometimes I do lettuce and tomato. Provolone cheese. Provolone. And Swiss cheese. It's gonna be cheesy sucker. Like Jacob. He's cheesy. All right, there we go. Boom. Now, gotta get a little mayonnaise down. Let's get some mayonnaise on our rolls. Just like that. Put that down. Should have probably did this a little sooner. Like I said, this goes fast. I should have toasted my buns first. Put that right there. It's all good, y'all. It's all good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Where are we gonna put this at? Right there. Alrighty. That's already kind of toasted. And this is pretty much what you do. Just boop, right there. Tuck your edges in. Get your edges in there. You know those dang Andersons are looking. Look at that, perfecto. Yeah, baby. Let's get you a little toast on there. This is pretty much it. This is a dang Big Dipper. Now my wife, she likes hers just plain. She don't like hers with nothing on it. Not even no mayonnaise. Bless it, I know. But hey, she's still a good old gal. All we got left here, folks. Let's get them off the griddle. Ready? Oh, this is what we do. Woo! Look at a Big Dipper. Woohoo! Woohoo! Big Dipper. Ready? Woo! Wee! Let's tuck this in right here. Dang, boy, that's got a nice. You know what? Who needs a dang? Who needs onions and peppers? I got them in there. I don't know why I just didn't get it. Jacob's been hurrying me along all day today. Boy, look at that. Look at that. Son. Woo, dang, that's running out on my dang hand. And that's hot. Woo. Oh boy. Take a little bit of this Au Jus. Au Jus. We're just gonna pour it right there. Oh, sunny bud, sunny bud. Woo. Turn this griddle off. Boy, look at that. Now, I know you're thinking, you're gonna forget about the horseradish. No, I'm not. We take this, and we come in right there. I like it nice, creamy. Whew. This is so good. Look at that. The Big Dipper, y'all. Nothing more here, dude. We just need to try it. I was gonna wait till it cooled off, but guess what? I'm not gonna do it. Boy, look at that. Would you look at that? Whew. Dip it in that juice. The juice. The juice is loose. Whew. Dang it, sons and girls. Oh man, that horseradish. Beefiness, creaminess, cheesiness. Yeah, go on, boy. That's slamming right here. Give us a try. I guarantee you, you'll make it again like 3 days after because people are gonna want it, okay? You need a big dipper in your life. There might be some bloopers after this. Check them out. Jacob, I give you $1 if you take a big old hunk of this and swallow it. No? Whatever. It's for the show, Jacob. It's for the show. I mean, mayonnaise, that's easy. That's like an easy buck. That's what I'm talking about, Jeff! What was that? Was that Jeff? Did Jeff threw something at us? What was that? Maggie, do you want your taxes? It's time to pay Maggie taxes. You've been a good girl on set. Yes, you have. Mm-hmm. Been a good girl. High five? High five. Can you see me? Hello. Jeff! Bye. All right.